Good morning. I am Kumar, student in Galgodia College of Engineering and Technology. Today we will discuss about the mechanical that we will discuss about the chapter measurement and mechatronics. That that we are discuss about all these measurements. What about the what 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 type of measurement and would you be used to measurement and tools that measuring any of the material. Measurement exists in two parts. That is first unit and second is number. Unit decide the range and number decide the quantity. Measurement tool have many types, but we will discuss about the some type because they use in large scale of the factories and companies. That if we need large scale measurement, then we use different type of measurement tools, and we not measuring the small tools in large scale, and they will not measure the types of error. That is three types of error: gross error, systematic error, and random error. Gross error, systematic error are three types. That is instrumental error, observational error, and environmental error. Gross error will be mainly observed by the human being, that we by observation that we see and calculate different, that is known as gross error. Systematic error, systematic error form different types of exist in error. That is first instrumental error, that is the issue of instrument, that is the calibration not e- equivalent, and this is known as instrumental error. Observational error, it is the human beings, again that is the observation by different reading, and if instrument is wrong and they are not calibrated, then instrumental error. And environmental error, this error will be included by the environment changing in temperature and pressure, that they will follow the change of temperature. Accuracy and precision, the accuracy will be decided by the instrument, and precision will be decided the calculation was precise is true value, and they will three types, that is high precision, high accuracy, high precision, low accuracy, and low precision, low accuracy. That is low precision and low accuracy will be not in type of random error, that could be randomly find to be instrument and measuring. Calibration in measurement, the it is the process of every instrument that without calibration not present in every calculation, that we every instrument need calibration, then we use measuring and measure the pressure, that two instrument from large scale use of measurement pressure, that is first U2 manometer, and second bend Burton tube pressure gauge. U2 manometer pressure will be per unit normal force per unit area, and they will be unit are Newton per meter square, pressure Pascal, and gauge ATM and bar. One ATM is equal to 101,375 bar, and 101.375 kilobar, and one bar is equal to 10 to power 5 Pascal, and one bar is equal to 10 to power 5 Newton per meter square. And YouTube manometer This manometer is shaped of U-tube, and this is fluid will be present in water and mercury. There is two types of fluid present in manometer. That is, first is water and second is mercury. And that is most use of long purpose because that is more accuracy and high precision. That is most accurate value they will be produced by the measuring of the system. And there is there is large and bulky. They will not different less present in these types. And U2 will be made by the classical glass, and bended to pressure gauge will be, they have measured the 0.6 Pascal to 7000 Pascal. That is the most use of the manometer for measuring the pressure.
मैंने 14 वाला टारगेट पूरा किया उसको
0.6 bar to 7000 bar. It is mechanical pressure measuring instrument. And C-type bended tube is exists of a long thin wall cylinder. That is the pointer, pinion, sector and linear. Next, we will discuss about the measurement of mass flow rate. That is two types again used. That is ventrimeter and ventrimeter first instrument, and second will be orific meter. That is ventrimeter have based on the Bernoulli's equation, and they will range of 94 to 98, and CD cost of discharge. Coefficient of discharge CD is equal to 0.94 to 98, and this is three parts of present in this instrument. First is converging area, and mid of the throat, and end of the diverging area. And this formula will be even into A2 under root 2 GH upon under root A1 square minus A2 square. That is, this instrument will be high accuracy and high precision. Next, we will discover the orific meter. That is, orific meter have cost of efficiency will be 0.60 into 2 0.65, and orific meter is the device used to determine the rule of flow through the pipe, and it will be consists about three parts. That is orific plate and vena contacta, bended tube, U-tube manometer, and flow. That fluid will be passed through the vena contacta. That this present about this passes through the, that is measuring the pressure, measuring the mass pressure and calculate the mass. Next, we will discuss about the measuring of the temperature. That is two types. That is thermocouple thermometer, and next we will discuss about the optical pyrometer. That is they are instrument in used in large scale. They are not calculating normal temperature, and that is temperature will be Kelvin, degree centigrade, Fahrenheit, and Rankine scale. That is four types of scale we measure in temperature. Thermocouple, it is the most popular electrical method for temperature measurement in industrial application. That is the most use of the instrument. That is where easily we calculate the temperature. That is measuring of the temperature, and the temperature range of instrument depend on the material. That that temperature not depend in calculation. That is depend on material. What material will be used in the measuring. What material used in manufacturing of the thermocouple thermometer, and this type of thermocouple thermometer will be made that will be calculate the same temperature on minimum to maximum, and they will use large scale again, and they will not maintaining the or calculating the normal temperature, and they will not using. And one thing that is, if we calculate the long temperature, that will they are not use thermometer. That is the thermometer will be calculate 0 degree Celsius to 600 degree Celsius. That is more not enough for industrial purpose. That is they will be used by steel manufacturing, and
ऐसा नहीं मैं
they will use optical pyrometer, principle of optical pyrometer. That is, it is device which measure the temperature as a change in brightness of the color. That is, optical pyrometer will be optically active. That is, they will be using optical purpose. That is, changing color and any of the change of opticals. And
चलो चलो
optical pyrometer have we need a battery resistance and lenses of two lens and ammeter. That is, many types of glasses using this meter, optical pyrometer. Again, they will range of depend on the material, what we create about material from optical pyrometer. It is widely used for the measurement of temperature, furnace, molten metal, steel, and glass, ceramic, furnace, and aerospace engineering. Advantage: excellent accuracy when 1.5 degrees Celsius not in enough. Then we will discuss about the measuring of the force having probing range. That is, two type of instrument will be considered about the next time we will discuss. That we will discuss about engineering electronics. That is the first thing that is very confusion of the circuit, that is clipper circuit. That circuit how to use and work with. That is when we know what that is the what clip of cut or the what clip of cut in circuit and sinusoidal waveform, and what we cut and what we cut out, that is used in different things. That is the diode current equation will be I is equal to Is e power v upon eta Vt minus 1, and Vt is equal to Kt upon Q. That is, K is a Boltzmann constant, that is 1.35 into 1.38 into 10 to the power minus 23 joule per kilo Kelvin. Ideal radial diode. Then we will discuss about the diode capacitance, dynamic, that is if we current AC, then dynamic, if we current will be DC voltage, then that is static. And diode capacitance, diode capacitance have two types, that is diffusion capacitance and transmission capacitance. Diffusion capacitance will be forward bias, and reverse bias will be transmission capacitance. If we connect the reverse bias, that is the reverse capacitance. They will graph by the middle second quadrant And next we will discuss about the diode capacitor. That is the most confusing thing about this we can't be not complete about these things. We will easily speak about that time, but the starting time when we will not speak in easily. That is the most thing of the about purpose of the my life. Diode clipper. What we need to clipper and what we apply, what we work, what we process, and what do. That is all of these things of any circuit, that is they will be used of cut off the any cut or this any waveform in our signal or any of the things that we study about this. That is the an electric circuit which is used to shape up the waveform or clip of the re- clip or off or remove the pointer po- position of the waveform without distorting the remaining parts of the position. Of this system is known as the diode clipper. If we destroy the any of things, that is the clipper. What use of clamper, that is next we will discuss about the shifting of the waveform, that is the known as the clamper. That is very thing that what we clip cut in that we use of clipping diode, that we will discuss about these things we are easily calculated on them. That there is no external AC supply given to the circuit. It will clip off on remove the complete half cycle of the input waveform. The diode is connected in series with the load and unbiased battery series capital unbiased series clipper. We add on parallel with series connected by the diode and load resistance, and they will not connect in battery. In the positive half cycle of the input waveform is removed in the output is known as positive clipper. If we remove positive half cycle, then we use positive clipper, and if we remove negative half cycle, then we use negative unbiased negative clipper. And that is case 1 of positive clipper. What about as things that we will at any topic that is in case 2, that we study about this. Vin is greater than 0. If input will be greater than 0, that is ideal diode will be work on the 0 potential, flow on the current, and diode will remove bias, reverse bias. It acts as the open circuit, output across RL will be 0. That's this will be work on output will be 0, and case 2 will be Vm less than 0. If Vm will be negative, then that will be forward bias and it work as a short circuit. Output across load resistance Vn not equal to Vin, then that will provide input, that same is output. Then we go slide. Really come from unbiased shunt negative clipper. Unbiased shunt negative clipper. That we will unbiased shunt negative clipper. That we will discuss about the negative, that diode and load resistance will be connected from the parallel, and that is unbiased because they will not connect battery. That of things. Parallel, the diode is connected in parallel with the load resistance. The negative half cycle of the input waveform is removed in the output is known as the negative clipper. Case 1. We will discuss about the negative unbiased negative sort. We will discuss negative unbiased negative shunt resistor. Case 1. Why work on the any of thing that we will discuss about the type of that we will for that is reverse bias they will work on short circuit, that is VIN is minus IR minus V naught is equal to 0, that is V naught is equal to VIN minus VR IR will be load resistance will be rather than that is एकदम minute place of the resistance, then we calculate the RL and VIN is equal to case 1, that is VIN is greater than 0, diode becomes reverse bias and open circuit V naught is equal to VIN. Case 2, V naught is minus 0 is equal to 0, V naught is equal to 0. In parallel, the voltage remains same. If one voltage is short 0, then the either other will be 0. V naught is equal to 0. Case 2, VIN greater than 0, diode becomes forward bias and short circuit. V naught is equal to 0. Unbiased series negative equilibrium, unbiased and positive equilibrium. If case 2, V naught is equal to 0. In parallel, the voltage remains same. If one voltage is short 0, then other will be also 0 because parallel is not divided in voltage. Biased clipper that we connect by tray, then that is biased clipper. AC or DC or what you connect on these things. That if we connect AC and high voltage, then diode will be one. That is again two types. Case 1, VIN is greater than VIR, that we connect our load resistance and load resistance voltage. If we connect VIR is greater than VIN, diode becomes forward bias. It behaves like a short circuit. Apply KVL to get output. That is, KVL will be negative positive VIN, positive negative positive VIN, positive to negative V naught, and VIN is equal to VR. VIN is equal to minus IR minus VR. IR will be load resistance current. That is things about this. But why is positive, why is negative in current resistance? In parallel, voltage remains the same. Next, we will discover the case 2. Diode becomes reverse bias. It behaves like an open circuit. Apply KVL to get output. KVL will be VR is equal to V naught. Then output will be making of such things. We give all these signals and we provide only V naught, that is VR is greater than that is not think about this. We will discuss about direct method. Next we will discuss about that things we will next day.